Hello guys, welcome back. In today's episode, we'll be looking at Ethereum and BTC price actions. Before we start, I would like to remind you, if you like and enjoy from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, so make sure you will get an instant, detailed technical analysis as usual. I would like to draw your attention, on the 8th of January, I made an update. If Ethereum managed to break the resistance, then it can go further up towards target prices, which was 11 and 12. We already hit 11, as you can see. If not, then under a low time frame within this circle, we will see some consolidation. On the 8th, as you can see, right, we were in this green candle. The price was around, as I said, 1161. What happened was, we managed to break, retested, as you can see, dollar to dollar, then again went up, then again tried. So as we expected, it was consolidated more than 24 hours. And yesterday, I made another update where target price 12 has been provided more than 72 hours ago. As you see, that was my previous videos that I provided target 12, which was 1350, 1400 zone. And in the last 48 hours, Ethereum started printing a symmetric triangle. I mentioned a lot that support resistance is much more important than these patterns. Not enough momentum at this stage, but watching it closely. At this moment, I'm on the bullish side, even we have this triangle, which may break either side. Again, no matter what, the triangle target is matching with our target price 12, which is 1350 and 1400, which was given more than 72 hours. Let's have a look into the chart. Before we move on, I would like to remind you, if you're not following me via Twitter, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8, at CryptoMagnate8, so you will get an instant updates. And if you have a reasonable technical analysis questions, or you want to learn technical analysis, one-on-one intense mentorship is available, and my DM is always open. So as you can see, we've been 48 hours, we've been inside this symmetric triangle. And once it got squeezed last 24 hours, and then we broke it, we reached our target 11 properly, where previously 7th of January, we reached lower resistance lines of the target price 11, 1290 dollar to dollar. And again, the same scenario happening. Dollar to dollar played out, 1350 we hit, and we got some rejection. What does this mean is, I would like to play, as I said, level by level. And from yesterday's update that you can see, if you're going to take a target price from above to the bottom, the normally target price matched with our target price 12, around 1350, 1400. However, I said this usually, for educational purpose, this type of triangles, what will happen is, this type of triangles, as you see, it can go either way, symmetric. This is the nature of the pattern. However, I said I'm not giving any weight towards to the downside, because we have tons of supports around this area. And that's why I was literally on the bull side, and these target zones was hunting. In the last less than 24 hours, the entrance zone clearly has been provided, and you've been already nearly 10% profit. However, I saw a lot of people actually taking from the upper line the proper target for the triangle, and they were hunting these 1400. However, the people actually messaging me that where they can take a profit. I'm not a financial advisor. You can just do your own research. You can take the trade at your own risk. So if you take it from the swing high to the swing low, not week to week, I would prefer to take it body to body, and that would give us around, as you can see, 1400. However, as I said, I would like to play level by level, and if you entered from 1230 zone and your stop loss would have been 1200, which is, you can use an extra tight stop loss, and you went up because you were waiting 1400 to reach. However, you've got a primary resistance and the secondary resistance, and you've got exactly dollar to dollar, you got rejected and you got panicked. Probably you sold, or you could have been stopped out while you were just putting your stop loss above, or you've been break even, because this week already kicked you out from the market. Had a few DMs questions that people were asking how they can use basic stop loss or support and resistance lines. So you can see in our scenario, you cannot use as a resistance the EMAs. However, you can use a support. So here, the blue line is a 50, yellow is a 100, which will be always in the middle, and the red one is a 200, which I use time to time. However, do not forget that the time frame also very important, that you can see From 16th of December, we went and we tested only once 200 EMA. Since then, only we're testing 50 EMAs. Last time, 2nd of January, nearly we tested. Since then, we never tested under 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look into 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is a different scenario. So that's where your multiple time frame analysis comes to play, that you have to analyze accordingly. So you can see it, 1st and 2nd of January, we tested 50 and as well as 100. However, we were nearly going to test, but it never happened, 200 EMA. Since then, beautiful test, 50 EMA, again 50, and again 50, and then 100 and rejection, 100 again, and then since then we were going up, as you can see. However, just today we tested again 50 EMA, and we are kind of rejecting at this moment. So therefore, bear in your mind the time frames very important for you when you're working with the EMAs. Since our initial entry 630, 640 breakout, we already have 100 and nearly 15% profit. You did the math with a 10 times leverage, over 1,115% profit. From yesterday's entry, which we broke 1230 area, you already been 95% profit. If you don't want to miss this type of short-term technical analysis, subscribe to the channel and like the content. Let's have a look into BTC. I had a few DMs about this W pattern or double bottom pattern. As you can see, same as Ethereum, that these patterns are really problematic, like reaching to the targets. Let's take it not from the weak body to the body. So once we're going to break it, we're supposed to reach our target 42,500 and 600 zone. However, we couldn't even break 41,200 area. If you entered around here breaking the neckline yesterday, you could have been already stopped out. Or if you put it your stop losses around 39,900 or 40,000, you've already been minus with this type of patterns. So as I said, you have to choose a clear levels to enter, and then you can ride the trend with much bigger profits. If you want to take this type of patterns, let's compare that 1-hour time frame double bottom pattern, and we have under 4-hour time frame similar pattern. Here again, we're going to take it week to week, and breaking out within the same candle, you reach your target price. However, under 4-hour time frame, as I kept mentioning, we are extremely bullish that this W pattern or double bottom pattern gave you more than literally we reached our target. As you can see here, little bit of consolidation, and then parabolic move again took place, all the way from 34,000 up to 42,000. So in the end, I would like to say that this high time frame patterns or support and resistance, once it's going to break, that's going to give you much reliable analysis and also provide a sweet risk and reward ratio. Under a lower time frame, our short-term support and resistance will be $39,170 and $40,050. As you can see, 5 nearly candles were literally stuck within this range. What does this mean is, if we manage to break and stay above 40,100-ish zone, our first target area will be this golden zone 1618. As you remember, right before we broke 34,735 zone area, we had down below 7 different target zones, which we deleted at Fibonacci levels, and we reached number 8, number 9, number 10, and as well as nearly number 12 target prices. However, if we cannot manage to break it and stay above, we will be probably a bit of consolidation, and our first support zone down below will be 37,000 and 37,600 will be waiting for us. And in that case, this circle zone, as you can see it, will come into play. We will be following closely. And also, I would like to give you a hint that your best friend is going to be 30 minutes time frame to follow this signal. Once under 30-minute time frame, this consolidation will finish. It will give us a clear direction either towards upside or towards the south. Let's take our measure tool. Once we break this zone, more or less we've got 5.5% profit towards the upside. If we break the downside, again, you will see around 5.5%, 6%. So I would say 5% towards up, 5% towards down is going to be your target prices. Let's take a look and update. Once we broke previous all-time high 19,700 and 800, we are already 100 and nearly 15% up. You do the math if you're doing 5 times or 10 times leverage. From our secondary entry, which was breaking on the 25th of December, breaking 24,000, we are already 75% up. These are spot profits. So market is still strong on the higher time frames, as well as 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour time frames. Looks quite bullish and healthy. There is no sign of weakness. There may be, however, little bit of consolidation or some sort of, on the lower time frames, correction may come. And I also showed how to take a trade and hinted that your best friend is going to be a 30-minute time frame. If you're enjoying and like the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you a profitable trade. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.